You asked, how to divide 7,245 by 5 using the long division method. 7 divided by 5 equals 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. 7 minus 5 equals 2. Bring down 2, making 22. 22 divided by 5 equals 4. 4 times 5 equals 20. 22 minus 20 equals 2. Bring down 4, making 24. 24 divided by 5 equals 4. 4 times 5 equals 20. 24 minus 20 equals 4. Bring down 5, making 45. 45 divided by 5 equals 9. 9 times 5 equals 45. 45 minus 45 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1449.